this is me going to McDonald's. You're probably thinking, isn't this an art channel? Yes, this is why I'm here. The new Happy Meal toy. The new toys are a collaboration with Squishmallows. I had to get them. This one is sold out of all of the toy. Let's try another one. Happy Meals. Woohoo, we got one.
Nice. The next day.
Hello, my lucky charms. Welcome to my channel, where art and craft pave the way for luck, peace, and positivity. As you saw earlier, I was trying to collect the new Squishmallow Happy Meal toys. But I think when I was searching, it was their last week of having them. So after I tried 7 different McDonald's locations, I was only able to get 3. That's very unfortunate. And I didn't get the one I really wanted. I wanted to get Archie, but he was long gone. Anyways, let me show you who I got. These 3 little buddies. This is Sunny, the little happy bee. And this is Kevin. I think he is a koala. And Michaela. Not gonna lie, between the 3, she is my favorite because of her cute pastel color and that heart sunglasses. And there is a QR code that you can scan to get access of their songs. It is so cute. They do sell the toys separately, but depending on the location though. And I believe they are 180 plus tax here in Canada. Okay, so for Michaela, I'm planning to make a phone case with her. I got this plain case for my phone a long time ago. It's the Samsung Z Fold 3, and I'm going to use Decoden cream and cute charms to decorate it. I got my Decoden cream like 2 years ago and only used it once. I hope they're still workable. Let's start! First, I'm going to cut off the tag. Then, I'm going to choose which charm should we use. How should I place them? Maybe like this. Or like this. Okay. I'm ready to decorate. Oh no, the cream is dry. I already tried to add heat to soften it. It won't stick. The white one is still workable. The violet one is a total disaster. The struggle is real. I got no word. This is so bad. Let's try it again. Okay. It's better. But no. Not good. What about pink? You know what? I'm going to try another method. I know it's super ugly right now, but sometimes you just need to trust the process. This one is still smooth and soft. Nice. Now let's put on our decorations. Now it's time for glitters. Glitters saves everything. Now it's time for Sunny. And this one is very simple. I'm just going to use the glue gun to glue on the brooch clasp. Turn it on. Adding glue. Press hard and cut off the excess. Very nice and secure. Lastly, for Kevin. And I'm going to give him a piercing. And make him a phone charm. Very cool and very cute. The final reveal. The phone case turned out so much better than I pictured. I'm so satisfied. It's so glittery. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you with it on my phone because I needed to record, but I tried off camera and it worked perfectly. What do you guys think? Do you like it? And thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!